Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade ginger oil. These are the ingredients you'll be needing: coconut oil, ginger, a grater, and a jar. Stay tuned guys. After 5 minutes, you take the jar off the warm water and properly clean it with a rag or any cloth of your choice. We don't want water to get in the oil, so that's why we are cleaning the jar, every single water on it. We are cleaning it properly. Guys, there are lots of benefits of ginger oil. I'll be writing everything down in the description box. It's good for hair growth, it's good for the skin. By the way, if you have a sensitive skin, please do not use this oil directly on your skin. You can mix it with Vaseline or use little amount of ginger while preparing it. How to know if your skin is sensitive is by applying a little amount on your wrist and waiting for a while. If you don't have any allergic reaction or burns, then you are good to go. You can use the oil. So this is my oil, all ready to be used, all fresh smelling, all expensive and nice. The ginger is just giving me life.